Here we go, guys. Crypto Charts Joe here with a follow-up video to the Economic Ninjas video regarding U.S. steel and the supply chain, etc., etc. If you want the latest information, powerful information on the current economic cycle and the upcoming cycles that we're going to be in going into 2022, need to follow the Economic Ninja on YouTube, Twitter, etc. But anyway, like I said, he does a great job on the fundamental side. I just wanted to follow up, do a kind of a piggyback video on the technical part, the charts regarding a few of these companies. But anyway, going forward, we're looking at U.S. Steel right now. It's the weekly chart. Each candle is 1 week of price action. And as you can see over the last 2 weeks, we're already up 25%, which is really pretty good for anything in the stock market. Let me clear that out. And what's kind of holding it back now, we've run up from the swing high to swing low, bounced off the 200 here, which is bullish. We're over the 20, which is bullish. And we just hit the 0.618, the golden retracement on the Fibonacci retracement tool, and it's the strongest resistance as the stock's going up into it, but at the same time it's real strong support as the stock's coming down into it. And then also we're in this little uptrend price channel in the midline right here. We're also hitting it, so possibly expect a little pullback, putting in a higher low and then go, and it'll look something like this: down, up, possibly down in here and up. And you just want the right side of the pivot to be higher than the left, and then that's a high probability, high odds play to the upside. Okay, so U.S. Steel looking good in the near term. The biggest bullish factor for me, we're over the 20 on the weekly. And then Caterpillar, the reason why I mentioned Caterpillar is that really, companies like that, heavy equipment company, nothing really moves regarding the infrastructure without big, heavy machinery out there. And as soon as the, steel business picks up and the infrastructure bill, at the federal level, and then also what the different states are doing with their infrastructure, new highways, especially states that people are moving in by the droves from, West Coast, East Coast, Texas, for example. A lot of construction going on. And as we can see, on the weekly chart, Caterpillar, has been, for several months now above the 20, sold off a little bit. Consolidation here, came down to this previous resistance zone that we finally got over, came back in. That seems to be holding near term. And then as soon as we start closing weekly candles in this back in this consolidation box and up and over the 20, which is the most important thing, it should be ready to take off again. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is the NASDAQ US benchmark iron and steel index. And we were in this uptrend line, dropped out of it and consolidated, finally put in a new higher high, came back in. That previous support held, and also we were on a time count here, a descending wedge, and high probability, high odds when a stock is trending in a descending wedge, it'll consolidate and pop out to the upside. That's exactly what you've seen here. And then another positive, bullish candle that we put in was up and over the 20 last week. And then as you can see how that fib line comes in, we'll pop it from the high to the low down here. And guess what? Yeah, we hit that 0.618 again. So that's what, causing a little bit of resistance here, or sell off. And, we were on again another time count. So we could see possibly a red candle next week and put in a low, high, higher low, and then go. Next resistance and price target, quite honestly, is around that 1700 mark right here. and then we'll probably pull back again, and then try to run up, past that 1800 mark. But okay, guys, thanks so much for watching, and check us out. And also check out Economic Ninja on Twitter and YouTube, and we will see you on the charts.